Hello.
Hello.
All right. We continue from yesterday. Awful. Yesterday is a
Yes.
disaster. But never mind that. We recover by nuke everything and redo it. Woo. So today we're gonna
Yes.
actually progress, or we do what we actually plan to do. If you come back to this beautiful picture for the 500 times, because we're gonna keep referring to this picture every stream, because it is a game plan, I guess. Okay, so yesterday we do this thing. We successfully changed this from gameplay. Oh, actually I can do this. How about I do it this way? Now we change that thing to that, right? Oh, look at that. Now we have some progression. So yesterday we successfully do that. Nothing else. So today we're gonna do it on this guy. We need this one to change to base ability. No, base attribute set. But if you remember the last time when we did this, we have hello, where's my stuff? We have this thing. Wait, what do we have? We have I blank now. What I am even looking for? Oh, oh, I'm looking for this. My bad. Remember we add something here. Let's say the test attribute set thing. And in here it have the stats that is not really our own. Is like the game provide us for this one. It have too many things, and we don't need all this. So today we're gonna create this thing, but our version. We don't care about it. In theory, we would not want to use this thing here. Hello, where is my thing? Keep can't finding my stuff. Yeah, this one. We don't want to use this one. We want to use this one, but we call it base uh, attribute set. We don't want any of this. So okay, let's go. Let's do it. Right? Are we
Okay.
ready? We do the same thing like yesterday. We go to new C++ class like the last time. What are we looking for this time? We're looking for attribute set. Duh. Right?
Attribute set.
Yeah. We don't want this. This is what they did. I don't care. We want this one.
Oh,
Right? Okay. Start strong. Change it to base attribute set. Make private public just for this thing to create a folder for you. That's nice. Uh, Read one more time before you press OK. Is this correct? Is everything correct? Yes. Read this line. Say public attributes. Good enough. Create. Hope it works.
yeah.
Actually, is it gonna work? Well, it would not work because it have nothing in it. You know the funny. I think I learned that. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! Calm down. What did I click? I plan to close editor, not that one. Like I think if you just press stop here, it might be faster, so you don't have to wait. Whatever it is doing, I think can just like stop.
Should I do that?
You can, making sure if you press stop, making sure you also come back here. Not that. Come back here. Oh, it's on another screen. Like every time when you add a new thing, make sure that you come here, generate a new file. And then yeah, after this thing finish generate, Visual Studio normally asks you, hey, do you want to reload all? Yeah, and if it asks you to reload, that is a good sign. That is good enough. Now we play a waiting game. Right. Yeah, my thing still generating. So we have to wait a little bit. Right, it is trying. And it is gone. All right, this thing should ask me, do I want to reload? And then you say yes, reload.
Ah,
Yeah, this happened. Yeah, every time you regenerate the file, it will ask you to do this. So not nothing weird. It's just normal. Can you load faster? Okay, and after it reload, then you quick check. You have the file. See, it say here your base attribute set have nothing in it, and then yeah, everything is just empty, which is fine. There is nothing wrong about that. Okay, and then after you have that, you go in, check if this thing actually compile and not crash out like yesterday, because I'm gonna crash out if this thing decide to not work with me again today. Hopefully that's not happening, you know.
Should I press the play button now?
Yes. After you reload your Visual Studio, then yes, just press play. Only
Okay.
thing we want to see is it load the editor. It doesn't try to do something that we don't want it to do. Yeah. And if it have the error down here, we have problem. But that should not happen. All right. My editor load fine. So thank God, finally we can progress something cool today. Hopefully. Okay. I think before we are we here? Are you still here?
Um, 30,
Loading,
40%.
reloading. Okay, okay, keep loading for now. What should I do? Hmm. Okay, I think before everything else, I want to do one thing before I do something in here. Okay, so now that we create a new one called the new the base attribute set, then technically you can come here like the last time you come here, right? You remember when we changed this thing?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Now the drop down should have the new thing. Oh, look at that magic, right? Now we have base attribute set, so we're gonna change it to that. Now we have that thing. But the problem is right now in base attribute set we have literal nothing in it, right? Because we don't say what is in the base attribute set, so we're gonna have to add some attribute to this one. So it actually have HP, MP, attack. I don't know what we're gonna add, but we're gonna add something, right? Okay, but
Where?
before we go that far, I want to verify one thing real quick. So we're gonna go here. We can make a new folder. I make some new folder here. So last time we create like the base folder. Now I'm gonna create one more thing called gameplay effect, the folder. You can just right click, create a new one, right? And then when you have this folder called gameplay effect, then we're gonna create something inside here. Okay. We still here, we still follow. Try to
Gameplay effects folder under abilities.
yeah, under the ability, just make one more folder called gameplay effect. Again, this is
Okay.
more about organization problem. If you don't like how I organize my your choice. Well, you're responsible if you decide to not do the same thing as me. Good luck managing yourself, you know. Uh, so okay, when we have that, then we are going to create a new blueprint class. This time, what we want to do is, oh, let me show you the picture real quick. We refer back to here. We are going to create this thing. Well, I guess you can tell from the folder name, we are going to create gameplay effect, right?
Mm.
So here, we are going to create gameplay effect right now. Uh, we are here. We right click on this empty space. Most of the time, you most likely going to create blueprint class, like 99% of the time. You click this thing. And then, well, guess what we search? Gameplay effect. Please show up. Uh, Okay, we pick this one. Gameplay effect. Nothing. We don't want anything special. We just want gameplay effect. Just raw, right? Okay, we good? We click on it.
Yes.
We create a new thing. Gameplay effect normally start with gameplay effect. GE underscore name something, right? What would we name this thing? Test damage. Okay, how about we go with that? Again, maybe you should not. I should make a good example at least. Normally you would like name it, not look wonky like. Oh my God, what did I click? I pressed F2 by the way. F2 is just rename. It's just normal Windows shortcut, but yeah, I normally you would name something a little more formal like that, you know. Don't type in all lower cap. It look ugly.
Okay.
One more thing that I don't think a lot of people do, but I got annoyed by it is there is something called redirector in this thing. To be fair, at the beginner level like you right now, you normally would not care. It's just more like a part of the cleaning setup. Like if you rename or do something, it's normally leave something here that you cannot see called redirector. Do I even have it? Can I even show it? Redirector here, right? Oh, it does not have right now, which is fine. Like, to explain shortly, is like if you rename the class that was referenced by something else, then that something else would not know when you rename that. Okay, well, I try to look at the old reference, but it is not here anymore. So it leaves the redirector as a breadcrumb, so it know to go where next, that kind of thing. So normally after you rename something, you want to right click on the folder and call this thing update redirector reference. If you do this, it makes sure that it destroy all of the redirector that you left over here, like destroy the breadcrumb, and then it just uh like reapply the change that you did to everything else that is supposed to be, so that you don't have the garbage here. I normally do that after I rename every file, but yeah, if you decide not to do it, then it is your choice. Normally, I don't think it did anything. Question mark? I don't know. Let's say I'm
Hmm.
a clean freak, so I don't like it when it have like something unnecessary, that could trip you over in the future. So I just destroy every evidence that could make that happen. Okay,
Okay.
anyway. Yeah, okay, now we create this thing called GE test damage, right? So what we are going to do in here is we will try to make a GE to modify some stat of what we have. So we check first what we have. Normally it would be in the modifier here. If you expand that, oh wait, can you read? I assume you can.
Mm,
Let
that's-
me make this thing a little bigger. 1.5. Okay.
do I have to be in the same tab as you? I have to open up G test damage.
Yes, you should open test damage.
Okay. Class defaults. Okay.
Okay. After you open test damage, yeah, class default, look on the right here, home modifier. This is where you modify the stat or the attribute that we want to do. So I come here, when I add one, you click add here, I can delete.
Okay.
If you are empty like this, you add one thing,
Hmm.
and then you expand, see what you can change. You see that we have the
Yeah.
full attribute here that can we come on, make yourself bigger. uh yeah, it is not the thing we want. So it just means, hey, this is only stat you can modify right now, but it's not any of what we want. So we basically just stuck here. We can't do anything about it yet because we want to modify stat. The stat does not exist. What you gonna do, right?
Hmm.
So compile save for now. What we are going to do is we are going to add the set stat, so it actually we can do something. And we will add it here. Close the editor. We don't need this anymore because we cannot add that from the editor. Sorry, right? This is probably the only one thing. If you want to use the stat, you have to modify the CPP file, like this thing, to add the actual stat.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna modify the base attribute set right now to have the actual stat. How to do it? I don't know. Good question, right? So this way we consult the Mr. Copilot that we consult yesterday what we failed about trying to solve that thing. But you know what? I don't care. I'm gonna ask something else today. So we start with UE5. If you have Copilot, you can try to do yours. I don't know. Maybe my Copilot is a little smarter than yours because I keep asking more about the UE5 when I work, so
Hmm.
it have a little some more context than yours. I will admit I cheat a little bit here and there. Is it really that cheaty? I don't know. Okay, what we know is here we have attribute set. Uh, hmm. How would I ask Copilot? Hey, UE5, I. Oh, wait. Can you help me make base attribute set that inherits from this guy? Wow, I feel so cheesy right now. uh, that have attributes that have following attributes max HP. Oh, max health. Okay, I try not to use the HP. Health. What else do we need? Uh, damage. Oh yeah, because everyone love damage, right? How about we go with that? Right? That looks nice. Yeah. Enter. See what they say. Oh wow, look at that. Look at that. Magic. Oh, look at how beautiful it is. Can I use that? This thing doesn't give me CVP. What a garbage. Hello. Can you do better?
Can you hear me typing?
Yes.
Is it loud?
A little bit. Yeah. I mean, I
Mm.
don't really mind, but I guess a little bit. I
I'll
don't
type
know.
quieter.
Okay, good. Yeah, I think that look good. Maybe. Oh, it have the pre-post attribution. Good. Can why you do this and they say all right and then doesn't give me the CVP? What do I say down here? Copilot, why you do this to me? That pre-attribution maximum something. Would you like the CPP implementation to include how you clamp the health to the max health and apply? Hey, you know what? This is a good offering. I will take it. It say, hey, do you want the CPP to? Yes, please give me the CPP to. Uh, cool. Why not? I will just take it. Why would I say no to those nice things, right?
Hmm.
What I say here? Post game effect. Do something. Set uh damage. Get health. Post game. I don't know. Oh, you know what? Looks good enough. I'm gonna just take it. Okay. So we copy this thing. I don't know. We can copy everything. Okay. So now the fun part is we just have to do a little comparison. See which part we should copy and which part we should not. So let's see what it gives us here. Oh my god, the screen is so small. Can I move a little more? Oh, this is why the tab on the left is annoying because it have less space to work with. Let me move this thing up a little bit and put it on the top. Okay. Do I have more space? I don't know. We can change that later. Right now it have at least a little more space to me. Okay, and now we look at this thing, see what we should copy. Uh, that one look the same. That one look the same. This look the same. Attribution sequence. Do we need? I guess we need it. You see the nicest thing here is I actually put my class name here. I wouldn't copy that. I don't know. I would just copy like just eyeballs and copy, because I don't trust what this thing do.
Hmm.
Yeah, now is a fun part. You can just slowly copy stuff over. Copy this one. This is like a 95. Whatever it is trying to do. I don't know. Copy first, talk later, maybe.
Wait, how do I copy it?
Oh, I do it from my Copilot.
I have the same code as you.
Do you have this? I can send this to you on Discord. I guess, but
Okay.
Well, whoever that watch the video, you can either co-pilot your own thing with the same prompt, or you well have fun typing what you see on screen, I guess. Okay, I will just copy for now. I will send you a file so you can follow
All
along.
right.
All right, but okay, I will just yeah, basically it's copy paste. I didn't do anything special. Hey, look at that. Hey, look at that, beautiful. Come here, right? I don't even read. I mean, technically, I should read a little bit, but I mean, as a Google programmer, normally you sometimes read and sometimes don't read, and I don't feel like reading. Okay, let's read a little bit what this thing say. Yeah, it has something here, something there, and then the three things that we care right now is the max health, the health, and the damage, right? And if we need something in the future, we can just basically copy paste this thing, add new attribute. But for now, we do not care. Okay, that is a .h file. Look nice. Let's see what the CPP gives us. Down here, there is a bunch of CPP. What do we have? We have that thing. We need a lot more things. We need actor. Okay, yeah, looks about right. So I'll just copy. Really no brain. Just copy. Don't need brain cell here. You know what? Copy everything. Boo-hoo. Beautiful. Look
Okay.
at that. Yeah. Yeah. Why do I need anything, right? You say, oh, cool. Let's just
I
copy. Yeah. Did I? Oh, I already remake this thing. Okay, so we don't have to do this again because we already did this one. When you change the file itself, you don't have to redo that one. You only have to do that when you add a new file or remove it. When you actually change the actual file structure, you have to redo that one. But if you change the code inside the file, that is fine. You don't have to redo that. So that saves you some time.
Hmm.
Okay, I guess I finished copy paste. I don't even read, but who need to read anyway, right? Just press play, hope it works. Question mark. If it works, we clap. If it doesn't work, then we fix what it doesn't work and hope that we clap after. You know. Well, well, well. Does this thing work? Mm-hmm. Hey, hey, look like it is fine. This thing spinning up. So yeah, okay, it should work. So that is one way to use Copilot. Woohoo, you know. Once you start utilizing Copilot a little bit here and there, it's kind of nice to give you a good guideline. I would not like trust it, but yeah, it is pretty good at what it is doing sometimes. All right. Oh, this thing actually it looks like it works fine, so I don't see the problem. Now I worry a little bit. What the heck is even in in this thing? What does it even say? I should read just a little bit just to make sure it doesn't add anything stupid in here. It do post game. It do some damage, set damage, done change health, and that. Okay. This looks fine. This is simple enough. It's okay. We don't need this. Not that we don't need this. This looks like Copilot actually do its job. Okay, and now if you have the editor open again. Oh, wait, I should send you the file. Sorry.
Yeah.
My bad, my bad, my bad. Let me quick send you this file. Oh, and then you have the file, right? You just don't have anything inside it, like your content screen,
Yeah.
nothing. Okay,
You
okay.
just changed the CPP file,
Yes,
right?
yes. Oh no, did I mess up? I forget to put it in the base folder. Oh, really? I'm stupid. Okay.
All right, we didn't.
No. Ugh, I hate it. We can also do it another way. Okay. Yeah, we should fix this before we go forward because we're gonna stop. My bad again, round two. Let me fix this for you so you don't have to. But okay, what I'm going to do here is I close everything. I realize that I have messed up because I come here try to copy the file, but it is outside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show it inside. Wow, amazing, right? And then now this thing is inside. Cool. I go to the public one, do the same thing, just show it inside. And then because,
Wait, you can just do that?
yeah, I can. What is stopping me?
Uh,
Right? But here is a catch. If I do that, some of the reference inside the file might mismatch because I moved the file. So the first thing after you, again, I told you if you delete, add, or move the file, the first thing you have to do is you come outside here and then make sure you regenerate.
oh,
Every
okay.
time. Yeah. When you change the
So
location, you have to do this.
should I close Visual Studio before I move it into the folder?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Close everything, move the folder, and then you reopen. I normally don't want to do this because to fix the thing sometimes it's like it is look a little annoying to fix it, but if you know what you are doing, you can do it this way. Normally if you create a new file, it just when you create from the editor itself, it makes sure that everything is correct, so you don't have to worry about fixing like the directory or stuff that could mess you up. But I mean, that's not really my problem, so I'm fine with it. But if you are new to this, then yeah, I would recommend just delete the old file and make a new one. It's just easier that way. But yeah, since I've gonna fix this and send the file to you, so it doesn't matter. See, yeah, you move something, this thing you say, yeah, your file used to be here, it's not here anymore, and things just mess up. Okay, uh, close this because the file does not exist anymore. So not this one, not this one. Okay, and now I'm gonna open the file, which is if I press Control comma. If you still remember the useful Visual Studio shortcut, it is the same thing. I'm gonna search for base attribute set. Mm-hmm. Not that one. What the heck? Oh, wrong one. I'm looking for this one. Okay, so it's still here. Check the other one. Is it gonna mess up? This one might mess up because we put it in the wrong folder again. My bad. I want to put it. I can just put it in the base. Who cares this one? I told you I messed up again because I put it here. Me being stupid. I put the base attribute set in here in the base. I plan to put it in attribute set up here. But you know what?
Um,
At this point, I don't care. I will just delete this folder instead. Goodbye. I don't need this
okay.
folder. I'm too lazy to fix it, so I'm just gonna delete. Okay. Hey, I mean the thing called base attributes that is fine. It can be here. I don't have problem with. Okay, you come here, you press play, and if it complain, then you fix it. If it does not complain, then we celebrate. That is basically how it's gonna go. I think it will complain. I can tell. You know why? Because this thing say here, it say include base attribute set, but it have the underline say you cannot find the file.
Oh, wait, pause for a second.
Pause for a second. Okay. So yeah, like I guess when I move thing around, this thing doesn't like it, and they say, hey, did error. What does it say? Output. Uh, it say here, right? You read the error. What does it say? It say, base attribute.h, you cannot find the file. I know why. Because we moved this thing into the base, so this thing is wrong. So we have to add something. That, right? So like yeah, normally yeah, when you move something, is messed up like that. And then we fix that one. We press play again. Hope it works. If it doesn't work, we keep fixing until it works, and then it will just go. Oh, it works now. So good job, me.
Wait, have you sent the file already?
No, I have not. I just have to make sure
Oh,
this thing works first, and then I will send you the file.
okay. So the base attribute set and the .h and the .ccp they're still in different folders, right? Like one is in private and one is in public.
Yes, yes, yes. So, okay, to show
Okay.
the structure, I just put it from outside here. I just put it in the base, but they will still be in the private and public. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I will now send you the file. I mean, I can actually send you the file, or you want me to send the content of the file.
Um,
It should look the
I
same
mean,
for us right now.
I'm not gonna use the file because I already have mine, so
You can just
I'll
drop
just
my
use
file
the
on
content.
top of yours. It's the same file.
How do I do that?
Just download it and then just dump this thing. Replace yours with mine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it looks the same for us right now anyway. So that one is a CPP. I will send you. This is another one. Okay, so that is a CPP, and oh, the first one is wrong. My bad. I sent the wrong file. Delete, delete. Not that one. You want this one. Okay, so that is the .h and .cpp. You can just replace it.
Okay.
Yeah, and then after replace, if you want to make sure again, you regenerate the file, the regenerate the project. When you are in doubt, just regenerate the project. But I
Okay.
don't think you have to. But if you just want to make sure, you can. Your choice, right? Okay, after you regenerate the project, you should now have the same thing as I have. You have this file with stuff inside, and you have the CPP with also the some stuff inside. And then you just press play, and then this should not have problem. This should just work. Okay, now we here. We should
Give
follow.
me, give me a moment.
Oh, you
I'm
copy the
replacing
file?
the file.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay, okay. Make sure the file is in the base, and then the thing that is not in the base is deleted. So your folder should look as clean as mine right now, which is should look like this. Is in the public folder have base. Inside the base have the thing, and the outside here should have nothing. This thing should be clean. Right?
Okay.
Ideally, in the future, this space should be filled with folders and have no file. Should be like folders here when we have other, like code folder, whatever we decide to add here. Are we good? Uh,
I'm regenerating the project files now.
okay, good, good, good. Good practice, good practice. Okay. You just look around, waiting. Any question you want to ask while waiting for your loading up the editor? It's your
Um,
downtime.
I mean, I don't have any questions right now.
Okay, good. Not yet. Good. That's fine.
Okay, I think it's good to go.
You have the editor, or
No,
the code just
I'm
finished regenerating.
yeah, it finished
Oh,
regenerating, but
okay.
I'm pressing the play button now.
Okay, okay. And it should not complain. It should just work. See, this every time I mess up, it's like, oh, I create a new class, and then, oh, crap, the class is in the wrong place. But the best thing to do when you realize you mess up, you do not procrastinate on this one. When you create a new class, it is in the wrong place. Fix it right now. Do not wait. The main reason is if you wait, then this class when you use it somewhere, and then now you have to remove, not remove, like move this thing somewhere else later. You have to fix all the that reference to this all wrong place, and then that will be the actual headache. You do not want to do that. Yeah, if you mess up creating the class, fix it, and then you can
Hmm.
do something after. Nothing is more important than fixing whatever the mess up C++ location that you did. Okay, good.
Okay.
Your thing come up. Did your thing work fine? You have your editor.
um, Hold on, it's still loading.
It's still loading, but it tried. It looked like it tried to have editor. It doesn't have compile error.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's messing up. I mean, the
Okay,
yeah.
okay, good, good, good. That is a good sign. Yeah, because yesterday when we have the link error or whatever compile error down here, like, ooh, that is not what you don't want to see. No, that is awful. You do not like that. The editor can load. That is fine. We can wait. Okay, and if your editor is already loaded, you come back here, right? We're gonna go do these two things again. The either character or test damage GE. We will make it one of them or both.
I do have a question.
Yes.
How do you make all of those windows show up every time? Because every time I open up Unreal again, it only opens up the level twin stick.
Oh. The twins. Oh, you mean this one?
Yeah.
I think it used to ask you on the bottom right here. It will ask you, hey, your editor when you close, you have the tabs open before. Do you want to reopen the tabs or something? I think it asked
Oh,
me
that's what
something
that
down
was
here.
for.
Yeah, and then I just answer yes and don't bother asking me again because yeah, my answer is yes. Whatever I have left when I close the editor, please reopen. I want all my tabs. Thank you.
Okay, I'll make sure to press that next time.
Yeah, next time when it asks, then yeah, you can just say that and then don't show me again. I know what I want. Okay,
Hmm.
do you have the thing? Are we ready?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So we come back here. We check this thing again. I don't know why I check. It say here base attribute set. Good start. We have something. We check this thing called test damage, right? This where we stuck last time. We don't have attribute. So guess what? If we click here, aha! Look at that, magic. Now you have these three things.
Mm,
Ooh, how nice, you know. Now we
yeah.
can do something about it. Okay, so what we want to do is we'll try to use some of this. Oh, I forget to do one thing. Not really forget. Okay. Now that we know it works, we're gonna tweak things a little bit, just a little bit. So we'll have to close editor again, unfortunately. So I close this. We come back here, and what we are going to do is everything. If you look here, crap, press the wrong button. Control KO to swap. Useful Visual Studio key, right? And then normally whatever it say here, it is a default value, which is assuming all of these are float. So your max health right now is 0. Your health is 0. Your damage is also 0. So we're gonna tweak things a little bit. So go here. This thing is like at the beginning of the class when this thing does. Oh wow, look at that! What a smart thing to do. Thank you, Copilot. I'm gonna add that. I'm
Oh.
gonna type that out. That's cheating. But you know what? I will take it. Okay, I really don't like it says set base value. What the heck is even this? I don't know. This is new. I never do that. Really? I mean, I can take Copilot, right? Okay. What I am about to type before Copilot suggests something better for me, I'm about to type this. What's that? That is what I planned. Oh, if you know the format, you have to do this because it is a float, so it look like
Okay.
this. Yeah, I'm about to do that, but then Copilot suggests something a little better for me, so you know what, I can take that. But yeah, you can do either way. I think you can do this; it would still be fine. You can do what Copilot suggests here. I assume it is better, so I would take that. So let's grab my plan because my code is inferior to what Copilot says. So I'm gonna take their suggestion. Oh, that's nice.
Okay.
By the way, if you don't have GitHub Copilot, you can add it here. You can do it after we done with the thing. You do it on your own time, include the viewer. Whoever that happen to see this clip, you can install your own GitHub Copilot. It is free. You don't need subscription. Or I mean, I use a free version. Uh, I think the difference between sub and not sub, this thing is it limit the amount of question that you can ask Copilot about your code. But I use a free version because I don't use that one. I ask Copilot, but I did not ask it on here. I asked it on the Windows Copilot. So this doesn't count towards the quota that I use on this one. So I kind of cheat it here and there, so I don't have to pay for the subscription fee. But yeah, you can add that for free. But
Hmm.
okay, anyway, continue. So now if we do this, what this thing read is say, oh, when you have an attribute, it start with max health 100, health 100, and damage 0. And then you press go. The reason I bother come out here and do this is because uh, we don't want your max health to start at 0. You can't prove anything, you know. So modify that a little bit so we can see something better than 0 is kind of nice. Let's see if this is going to work. You cross your finger, hope it works. Hope Copilot doesn't backstab you with a code that doesn't work, huh?
Hmm.
Okay, so now the expectation is, if you remember, well, this thing is still loading, so it take a little some time. But if you remember, it loads, cool. Okay, now what do we have now, right? Re-evaluate the situation. We have this thing. We have this thing say, hey, you should use BaseAttributeSet. So right now, your twin stick character should have ability system. Let's say I have 100 health. Make sense?
Yeah.
We don't do anything to this yet. Okay, so leave this alone for now. We'll mess with this thing again later with this part, but no, not yet. So just to prove the point, we will just print the HP of this guy on screen so we can see what is going on, right? So the way to do it is search for event tick. If you don't know what tick is this thing print every frame. Every frame that there is something draw on your screen, it will trigger this one. So what we want to do here is we just print string, nothing special. We familiar to this thing. We print string for so many things in the past now, right? So this is not new. If you drag this thing a little bit, type append. If you don't know what append is, this is how you construct the string. You will understand soon enough because I'm going to type HP equal to blank, right? And then you can put anything here. What we're gonna put here is actually we're gonna drag this thing, ability system here, drag this pin,
HP what?
equal, just HP equal, I can see.
Oh, HP equals.
I mean, to be fair, the A part doesn't really matter. You will learn soon enough why. It's just your print block. Okay, this is a part that actually matters. So, uh, you follow here. This ability system is a part that matters.
Okay. Ability system.
Yeah, you drag it on the blank space, drag from the pin, and then now you can type get float attribute, and then you pick
I
this.
can't. Um,
Huh? You cannot
where did you
find
find ability system?
here, right here.
Oh, that.
Just
Okay. Okay.
yeah, just drag here.
Okay. Dragged it and then
You drag the
connected
pin. You
to.
drag the pin. No, not connect. Just drag the pin, and then
Oh, okay.
type get float attribute. So
Get
to be
flow.
fair, it's not really. I just know that I need a get float, but normally when you want something, you probably just try attribute, and then see what it gives you. One of them gonna be the thing that you want. I happen to know I want, yeah, I mean, it's C. The answer is also here, but you want to get float attribute. I just happen to know. Make sure that when you get float attribute, there is two of them. One of them is a base. One of them is not. You need the one that doesn't say base. You need this one. The difference between base and not base is the base one show you the base value. So when you modify this thing, it does not show. It will show the same thing. So in this case, if you do get base float attribute, it will always give you 100. Makes sense?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but you don't want always 100. You want that when it change into something, you want to see the change. That is why you pick the one that doesn't say base. Okay, we good. I guess you can guess what
Okay.
is going in here. We're gonna read the health, right? Aha, makes sense, right?
Right.
Then don't do that. I'll make space a little bit. Return this thing. So this thing just read, hey, disability system, what is your health? Print it on screen. Aha, right, makes sense.
Yes.
Okay, so now we have something say SP equal to something that we pull from the ability system. Print this on screen every frame. Expand it. Make sure you change duration to 0. No, 0.
0.
Yeah, change that to 0.
Okay. Okay.
This just means it will not. I can show you what happens if you don't change to 0. Okay, let me quick show you that. So, okay, right now if we press play, it should print something on screen because this node will be on screen. Every tick, it will keep printing. You see that? That is a problem,
All right. Right.
right? So you want to reduce that time from 2 seconds to something less, which is 0. So now
Oh,
if
okay.
you change that to 0, what is going to show on your screen is that one line. Like, okay, it will only show that that is your current HP. Wait, that's not right. Why it says 0? That's supposed to say 100, you know? Right? Because we set it to
Yeah.
100. That thing cannot be 0. Something is wrong. I can guess what is wrong with it. So I think this thing here, it called attribute test or whatever this thing is, I think is a scam. It does not do this for us. Because
Hmm.
if this thing actually take effect, do the thing, it should always be 100. There is no shot. It is something else. So I assume this thing is a scam. So we're going to delete it. We don't need that thing. Compile save. We go down here. We have this begin plate, if you remember that we keep abilities, right? So we're gonna do one more thing on here. We move this to the back a little bit. We do the same. We drag ability system for the third time, and then we're gonna say add attribute or something. We want add attribute set. What the hell is that? Add attribute message? Is that what we want? No, my bad. No, no, we don't want that. What do we need? We want to add something. I know that. So we want to add something. What are we adding?
Or get attribute set, maybe.
I good call, good call. Okay, let's search attribute set. I cannot type. Get attributes. We don't want the get. We want the add.
Hmm.
Uh, let's try add. Let's read real quick. Do we have anything? Add, add unique. Nothing looks good here. Add stat maybe. What are we supposed to add to? Huh? Uh, you know what? Let's ask ChatGPT. Oh, I keep calling it ChatGPT. Sorry, I think Copilot. Hey,
Use
Copilot.
ChatGPT.
Copilot. How? WE5 every time. How to add attribute set on begin play in blueprint. Hey, you know what? Good question. Let's see. No. What is it? Oh, come on. We can't do this. It says create register something. Add type new object. I cannot I cannot do it from blueprint. That's crazy. Huh? Really? I cannot do it? Hey, look at that. It says I need stats. Whatever it is. I don't know. Is it the one? It looks good. Look at that.
Okay.
And you know what? It was a try. I mean, it might or might not work. Who cares? I mean, not like we have option. Okay, the worst if this thing doesn't work, we have to go to the character class here and then do it raw in the C++. I hope we don't have to go that way because it would take too much longer, and I don't want to do it. So cross your fingers.
Um,
Hope this thing works.
wait,
Okay,
is this still connected to the same event begin play node?
uh,
The one that's connected to GA shoot?
no, this is not GA shoot. This is character.
Oh, I
Oh,
mean,
oh,
like,
oh, you mean this one? No, I mean
yeah.
I disconnect it. I disconnect the old one and
Okay.
then drag the new one. So this one is like before we add that thing. I just put it. I move the old one to the back and then put a new one, relink this thing. But yes, it will
How
still
do you
connect to the
disconnect
old
it?
one. Huh?
How do you disconnect the old connection?
Oh, you hold alternate. You hold alt and then click on it.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that is another useful key, huh?
Yeah.
My bad. I just instinctively do it. I think another way to disconnect, I think you can grab from here and you disconnect. Oh, I think you can right click on it. Okay, you can right
Right.
click and then break this link. Oh,
Okay.
that is how you disconnect. But I just use hotkey. I alt left click. Okay, anyway, yeah, this looks like it could work. Cross your fingers. So right now you say, hey, when you begin play, I need your step. Put in the attribute set that we want, which is this guy. Screw data table, we don't need that. And then after I need the stat, then now you can keep the ability GA shoot. Aha, makes sense, right? Okay, compile save, press run, cross your finger that it works. It does not work? That's not good. Wait, why? Huh? Does this thing not hit? Does it hit? It does hit. My base attribute that does not work. Forgot unknown reason. What happened?
Hmm.
I mean, it say my HP is 0, so clearly something does not work. Did I say it wrong here? Say health is 0. Can I do max health? Max health also 0. Max health is also 0. Something does not work here. I don't know why. Hmm. Curious, huh?
Hmm.
Hmm. Uh, is ChatGPT scammers? Is this not how it's supposed to be? I now start to doubt the ChatGPT. What does it do? Does it actually scam us?
Well,
What?
try writing your version of it.
Yeah, I guess we can try my version. I don't trust this guy anymore. ChatGPT, why you do this? Okay, let's try our version. So we're gonna go with max health equal to 100 COF. Okay, I'll just copy paste that 3 times. The next one's supposed to be health. Go with health. Don't do that, please. Okay. And then the last one will be damage.
Oh, you just write it like that? No equal sign?
Yeah, equal. I do equal side. What do you mean not
Oh,
equal?
I don't see it.
And then I will just delete this last 3 that we got scammed by ChatGPT. I keep saying ChatGPT again. My
It
bad.
is ChatGPT.
It is Copilot. Okay. Close the editor. Really? Does it not work? Does that how we got scammed? Yeah, okay. So lesson learned, don't trust AI. Sometimes it lie to you. Maybe. We can't prove it yet, but I feel like I don't see why else it could go wrong except this part. And what else you gonna do?
I mean, the rest of your code is also a copilot, is it not?
Yeah, but it doesn't mess with the original number, so I don't know.
Right, right.
Right? So hey, I mean there is no way. It should work. I don't see why not. Come on, man. We have only one thing. We just want to see some nice number and hope we can be happy with it. Okay, if you still follow along, yeah, you change that thing and then you press play. And then we check again. You cross your finger, hope it works for the 50 time. Also, this is a fun part of developing something. You think it's gonna work, haha, you are wrong. Happen every time. So yeah, let's get used to it. Okay, is my editor back? Editor is back. Uh, this thing we check. We have stuff. Yes, it has stuff. Press play. Hope it works. My Jesus, look at that! Look at that! We got scammed. My God, why? Why, Copilot? Why you do that to me? I mean, the thing that it offered me, oh, it looks so nice. Hey, it could work. But guess what? You got scammed. Why? Okay, you know what? Whatever. I see 100. I'm happy. Okay, we good. We good. You still follow? Oh, I'm so happy. I don't want to deal with that.
Okay.
Okay, now that we see we have 100, right? So the next thing we want to do is we will try to reduce this 100 to something that is not 100. Okay, and then if we read from the code here, the code say, hey, or just quick read this thing. It say, if the thing that come in called damage, and then it just say, okay, it do the damage done, it do like, oh, your current health minus the damage done. Let's assume we want to do 20 damage. So you go for 100 minus 20 equal to 80, and it should show on screen. That is what we want to do. Okay, so the first thing we do here is we will just hijack what we have real quick. Uh, we go to the test damage here. We add the stat, right? Like you might guess, we will add the damage. You still follow?
Wait, no, 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 no,
You hear? No.
no.
Yeah, I figured that is why I asked. Yeah.
GE test damage class defaults. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So we
And
add that.
now,
Did you see 100? You see the 100? You happy?
yeah, I did.
Okay.
I
Good.
did.
Okay. So we go to GE test damage. Now we're gonna modify the something. The something is the damage. We modify damage. Expand this
Okay.
one by scalable float. There is more option here that we will eventually touch, but right now we just want flat number. Let's go 20. Compile save. What this thing say is, hey, when you apply this GE, the effect will be instant. It will modify your damage by 20. That's it. Make sense? And then we can
I
try
have to
to
see
do.
it first. I don't.
Uh-huh.
GE test damage. What do we even connect GE test damage to
No,
anything yet?
we are about to.
Okay.
Right now, this GE test is floating in the sky. No one touched it yet, but we are about to
Hmm.
do something with it. So we come here. Where should we do? Here. You remember when we dash? You remember that thing when we dash? It actually print the message from activate the ability, right?
Yes.
Okay, we will just not care about the ability for now. Eventually, we'll put this inside the ability. But for now, we do not care. We just want to see some result. So what we are going to do, remember what I told you last time. Open the picture. When we have gameplay effect, when we do something, we do it to the ASC, right? And then
Yeah.
everything black magic will do the rest of what we're supposed to do, or it will do itself. So, like the diagram say, what we are going to do here is we're gonna drag the same thing again. Ability system. This thing is the center of everything. Drag this thing like every other time for the fifth time now, I think. What we try to do, apply gameplay effect. Aha, makes sense, right? Because we try to apply gameplay effect to this system.
Okay.
Okay, and now we pick something. Which one is good? I guess this one.
Oh,
Apply gameplay effect to cell. Aha, that sounds amazing, right? Damn, anyone who can read English probably know. Pick this one. Okay,
okay.
you pick this one, you connect the line. You say, hey, well, apply it to cell, which is this thing. What are we applying? Guess what? We apply the test, right? Aha.
What does level do?
Compile save. In the future you can make this thing say this thing is flat 20, have nothing in there. But in the future you change this thing and then change some curve table here, you can make it scale like the first level is 20, the next level is like 30, 40, 50. You can scale
Oh,
it that way. Yeah, and then you can scale by level here. But right now we just well, even you add level, it doesn't do anyway because the setup say, hey, just do flat 20, we don't care. So that's what we have. Okay, I think that's it.
okay.
We could press play. Hope it works. And I press play. And then if I press shift the dash, oh, it doesn't do anything. What happened? What happened this time? Oh, I know
Hmm.
why. I know why. I know why. I'm stupid. Uh, I read max health here. My bad. I supposed to read health, not max health. Yeah, try again. Oh, I when I change that thing, I forget to change it back. Okay, 100. See, it's not 80, 60, 40, 20, 0. Ooh, success, success. You know,
Wait, mine must be wrong somewhere.
what did you do? What did you mess up? Mine looks good. I like it.
Wait, you said it's supposed to be health or max health?
No, it's
It's
supposed to
supposed to
be
be health.
health. Yeah, if you use max health, it will always read 100.
I'm trying to see where mine is different.
Yeah, right. Because we set here, we say do damage. Damage do to health,
Wait,
not
wait,
to
stay there,
health.
stay there.
Huh?
Go back
Go back. Go back where? Oh,
to
here. Here. You want to
to
see here?
everything. I need to see where everything is different.
There is only two things that is, or three things different. If you do add the stat here, there is one place. Uh,
Okay.
this second place, suppose they read the health, and then the third
hmm
place is here. Make sure you put the thing in here.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
right.
this part looks right.
This part look right. Okay, which part you want to see more?
Go to yeah to the top
If you
left.
already see 100, then this part is correct, so you don't have to worry about it. It is
Yes.
this one.
Ability system. Okay, that's connected to A, which is
So
connected to in string. Okay. I think this is fine. How about GE test damage?
GE test damage. Okay, this one. So you set the damage, and then you set to 20.
Well, this isn't wrong either.
Uh-oh.
Oh, is it because I forgot to delete that one thing that you deleted from the character, the attribute set?
Oh, you mean in here? Here, starting
Abilities
data. There is starting
start
data up here. This one. Yeah. Did you delete
attribute.
it? Delete this
I did
thing.
not.
Okay. Like, nuke that thing. You don't need it.
Okay, let's try that. Then play. Is that to run into them?
Hmm. Not
Oh
sure.
yeah. Oh wait.
Did you do
Maybe I.
something dumb?
Oh, you lose. Okay, okay. I'm stupid. It's you lose health when you dash, right?
Yeah, you lose it when you dash. Yes.
I don't think I dashed in the
Oh,
other
you did
one.
not dash. Whoa.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah, you have to
I
dash.
was trying to run into them.
Yeah. Okay. No, 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 no. You dash. Yeah, because you switch
Okay.
here. After dash, we apply the thing. So if you don't dash, then yeah, you don't lose health. Okay. So we
Yeah.
good. So yeah,
Yeah.
we dash. We good. That's it for now. Good enough. We success. So yeah, the thing we did today is we add a new set that now we can have any set of our choice in the future. So you just add more stuff here. Right now we only have max health, health damage, but we'll have more. And then
Nice.
we show it on screen that hey, our system is kind of work. The final version will nowhere look like this, but for now, for just testing that the actual step system actually works, maybe success, good enough.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, and then we print something, we can actually see the thing goes down. So it is shaping. Okay. Okay. Then I guess that's it for today. We'll continue next time. Any question?
No, it looks like we're making progress.
I know, right? That's why I want to do this yesterday. Except we messed up yesterday. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. Okay,
It's
we're
coming
getting,
together.
yeah. Oh, there is a lot more, don't worry.
Yeah.
But we make progress. You slowly make progress every day. That is what you're supposed to do because you cannot build a game in one day anyway. So, you know.
Yeah.
Okay, any last question before I end the recording for today?
No, I think I understood it. I mean, I've just been following you along. I don't think I could reproduce this myself, though.
I mean, after you do it many times, you will. So it is fun.
Yeah.
Also, again, I mean, the best thing that I made so far is actually this diagram. Like, if you understand this diagram, we basically did everything based on this diagram. We never steer away from this, right? Every time I keep referring back to this one and then, hey, we're gonna do this. This is a plan. So
Yeah.
yeah, okay. I guess that's it for now. Thank you.
All right. Thank
See
you.
you next time.
See you.